Stick diagram of CMOS NAND gate. So this is a circuit diagram of CMOS NAND gate. So for this we will see how to draw the stick diagram of CMOS NAND gate. So the first step is you have to draw the plus VDD and VSS, which is the ground. So take horizontal lines plus VDD and ground. So this is plus VDD, this is ground. So after second step, you have to draw the P diffusion and N diffusion. So P diffusion, which is the PMOS transistors of source and drain. So here the two transistors which is connected in parallel to the plus VDD. So source and drain. So this is source, drain. So next coming to the N diffusion. So N diffusion, the two transistors which is in series representation. So N diffusion with green color. So two transistors which are connected in series. So this source is connected to ground here. So I am representing this transistor source is connected to drain. So next step 3, indication of the polysilicon, that means gate terminal, indication of gate terminal. So gate terminal always should indicate with red color, so which is crosses over the P diffusion and N diffusion. So up to here completed the P diffusion and N diffusion and also polysilicon. So next, connections between these transistors. So here drain is connected to drain here. So here drain should be connected to drain. Next to see, so source is connected to drain. So this is a source terminal, this is a drain. So this is a drain and this is source. Source is connected to drain here. So source is connected to drain using the same color of green. So next connection part here. So always the connection part should be with the metal. So see here, so pull down network of drain terminal is connected to the pull up network of which is shorted to the drain terminals of both the transistors. So using the blue color. So next see, here the gate is shorted to the first transistor of pull down network. Pull up network gate, first transistor gate is shorted to pull down network first transistor gate terminal. So indicating A and B here. So this A should be shorted to pull up network of A should be shorted to pull down network of A, and B network pull up network of B is shorted to pull down network of B. So this gate, so this is A and this is A, B and here B. So A should be shorted to A and B should be shorted to B. Okay, next coming to the contact points here. Contact points. So contact points always should be indicate with black color. So when do we use the contact point means when two different colors met. So in that point you have to indicate contact point with the dot representation using the black color. So see here, this is blue and this is yellow. So here one contact point and here one contact point. So this is yellow and blue, one contact point, green and blue exist here. So one contact point. Next green and blue, one contact point here. So contact point completed. So next coming to the input and output indication, output terminal indication and input terminal indication. So see here, output and input indication from the circuit. So this is the output, right? So already we have indicated the input terminal. So you have to indicate the output terminal here. So here using the metal layer only. So this is a pull up network, pull down network. So this is the output terminal. So this is a stick diagram of CMOS NAND gate.